What if your student visa expires before your degree does? A major U.S. immigration proposal could change how long international students are allowed to stay in America. The White House has approved a plan from the Department of Homeland Security to replace the current duration of status system with fixed admission periods for international students and exchange visitors. Under the existing system, F1 students can remain in the U.S. for the entire length of their academic program. If the proposed rule is implemented, most F visa holders, J exchange visitors, I visa holders, and their dependents would receive a fixed stay period expected to be 4 years. Students whose programs extend beyond that period would need to apply for an extension with immigration authorities to continue studying legally. This could create additional uncertainty for thousands of international students, especially Indians, who represent the largest group of foreign students in the United States. Many may face challenges in planning their education, research programs, and post-study opportunities. The Department of Homeland Security says the current duration of status system makes it harder to monitor visa compliance and identify overstays. By assigning fixed end dates, officials believe they can improve oversight of foreign students and exchange visitors. The proposal was first introduced during the Trump administration, was never implemented, and has now been revived in 2025. Although the rule has not yet taken effect, international students should closely monitor developments as it could significantly affect future study plans in the United States.